Hello and welcome. I hope you're all doing well and in great health. Today we're going to talk about cartilage. It's a type of thick, flexible, yet firm tissue found in areas where two bones meet, like the elbow, knee, or heel. So what's the importance of cartilage? It allows for smooth joint movement, reduces friction between bones, and acts as a shock absorber. When cartilage begins to break down or gets damaged, it leads to symptoms like severe joint pain, especially in conditions like knee osteoarthritis. It used to be believed that the only way to treat cartilage issues was with painkillers, pills, effervescent tablets, or even injections. But recent studies proved that wrong. You can actually rebuild cartilage, even if it's severely damaged. Cartilage is mainly made of collagen, water, cartilage cells, and proteoglycans. And when you nourish these components, cartilage can begin to regenerate. That's exactly what today's video is about. Foods, drinks, vitamins, herbs, and tips that can naturally rebuild and protect your cartilage, even if it's been heavily worn down. Let's get started. Herbs and drinks that support cartilage health. Number 1. Ginger. A 2001 study on 261 people with osteoarthritis found that ginger extract significantly reduced inflammation. Drink 2 cups of ginger tea daily, 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening. Number 2. Turmeric. Its active compound, curcuminoids, reduce joint inflammation. Always add a pinch of black pepper to turmeric to enhance absorption. Number 3. Green tea. A 2018 study showed it not only reduces joint inflammation but also acts as a natural pain reliever. Number 4. Extra virgin olive oil, a powerful anti-inflammatory. You can also soak dried figs or dates in 1/4 cup of olive oil overnight and eat them an hour after breakfast. Number 5. Bone broth. Rich in collagen and amino acids, crucial for rebuilding cartilage. Include chicken or beef bone broth in your diet regularly. Foods that support cartilage regeneration include fermented foods like kefir and yogurt, which are rich in probiotics. These not only improve gut health, but also help reduce inflammation and promote cartilage repair. Legumes such as lentils, peas, and fava beans contain amino acids that are essential for collagen production. Brown rice is high in hyaluronic acid, which naturally lubricates your joints. Pomegranate is packed with antioxidants that prevent cartilage breakdown and help reduce joint inflammation. Blueberries have polyphenols, which are natural pain relievers, and vitamin C, which helps your body produce collagen. Nuts and seeds, especially almonds, coconut, and sesame, contain magnesium that boosts your body's ability to absorb hyaluronic acid. Leafy greens like spinach, parsley, and broccoli are rich in carotenoids, magnesium, calcium, and vitamin K, all of which are important for joint and bone health. And of course, avocado is high in healthy fats and is known to reduce joint inflammation. Essential vitamins and nutrients for cartilage health include vitamin C, which is crucial for collagen synthesis and joint flexibility. You can find vitamin C in citrus fruits, strawberries, and bell peppers. Omega-3 fatty acids are anti-inflammatory and help reduce joint pain. These are found in sardines, mackerel, and tuna. Vitamin K helps maintain cartilage structure and is found in leafy greens like spinach and broccoli. Calcium strengthens your joints and bones, and you can get it from dairy, plant-based milks, liver, and meats. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium. Just get about 30 minutes of daily sun or consider supplements if you need to. Magnesium supports over 300 enzyme reactions, including those that protect your cartilage, and you'll find it in nuts, whole grains, and leafy greens. Now, let's talk about some critical lifestyle tips. First, hydration is key. Cartilage is actually 80% water, so staying hydrated, about 2 to 3 liters a day, is important. Otherwise, your body will pull moisture from your joints. Maintaining a healthy weight is also crucial, since excess weight puts enormous pressure on your joints and leads to faster cartilage breakdown. Avoid long sitting periods by getting up and walking every 30 to 60 minutes. Good blood circulation equals better joint health. Intermittent fasting can also help. Try 2 meals a day within an 8-hour eating window. Fasting promotes cellular repair, reduces inflammation, and supports tissue regeneration. And last but not least, quit smoking. It's proven to harm not just your lungs and heart, but also damages your joints and accelerates cartilage degradation. I hope this video helped you and gave you real practical steps to protect and rebuild your cartilage naturally. If you found it useful, Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs this information. And don't forget to turn on the bell so you don't miss future health videos. Thanks so much for your precious time. Take care, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.